Show people they have a CBR300. You don't see a lot of these, especially with mods. You see a lot of the R3s, the KTMs, even the little Ninjas, but not a lot of people running the CBR. Good looking bike. It just takes a little effort to get it there, but as you can see, it's not far off. You know, different color though. But anyway, we're getting a new front tire. It hasn't came in yet, but we did go bigger with the back, and I see a lot of people on forums and chat rooms saying how you're not supposed to run a bigger tire, and I get that the wheel is only so wide, yet the tire will be so wide so it's folding over. I get that, and you're not going to use as much of the edge. This is a 150. We didn't go 160, but a lot of people do. So this is the 150. Let's make sure before I say it. $150/60/17 Dunlop GPR300. No clearance issues. On the brake side, no clearance issues. I don't know if you can see that. On the chain side, we just did the Vortex clip-ons last night. Getting the front tire next week. This tire is exactly, well, almost exactly a 1/2 inch wider than the stock tire.